On this week's episode, Kamal Grant attempts to transform a donut into water on...
Okay. There comes a time.
No, it's not nice. Oh, this is a disaster. Here we go. Oh, Jesus. Oh my God, this is a disaster. Look at this. Here we go. Here's something. Okay.
I was thinking to the gelatinous. I really was.
So the idea was, see, we were going for a water donut. It's supposed to be like a raindrop cake.
Okay.
Okay,
Then be in the
that's been
donut
trending
form.
lately.
Yes, be in donut form, and then also taste like a donut.
Okay.
But so I already had complications to get the flavor of donut into the water.
Okay.
But today it didn't want to set up right because I put too much agar in the day before, so I was like, I'm just gonna put less. Let me know if I don't know. It's not. It didn't donut.
It is a water donut.
It is. Well, it's definitely water. I mean, I'm gonna give it 0% donut. I don't know what y'all's donut percentage was. Do a percentage from 1 to 100. You know, I guess 69 is failing. And so I mean, I don't know.
Okay.
1 to 100. That's pretty.
Yeah.
Normally I'm back. I mean, I just give the steamed bun. Steamed bun last week, I gave it 80, and the young lady was like, "No, this is like 99%." So, and thanks for coming by.
Thank you for having us. Like, we really had a good time.
Absolutely. So much fun.
And just check us out.
Bye.
Bye.
See how hard we work, so you can watch these videos. Please subscribe.